Hi, welcome to the Food Goodie. We're going to go over the ingredients for the Easter pie, which it's a traditional in Abruzzi, Italy. It's the Pizzarustica. That's what I'm making, or they call it pizza chiana. So, this is my version of it. I don't like everything in chunks, and some people don't, so it's best bought as a cold cut form, which is thinly sliced and you cut it up yourself, however you want to cut it up. So you're going to use in brown, take out of the casing the sweet sausage and no seeds. You're going to use mortadella, super sad, a piece of prosciutto, Genoa salami, ricotta salad. You might use 6 eggs. You may use 4 eggs. So you got sweet gabagool, you got fresh ricotta, you got Luccadelli cheese. You're going to use mozzarella fresh. You're going to dry it up, and you're going to use provolone. So everything gets sliced up, and you use according to as much as you'd like. Over a period of time, when I'm done with all this, because it needs to be cut up, which is work, and everything gets set aside, I will go over everything again, and then we will make the dough. All right, which is a very basic flour dough. It does not get any butter. You use a little bit of Crisco. It comes out like velvet. And we will go over everything that you can. Everything is cost effective. It depends on how you use it. From this amount here, you can actually get 2 pie dishes. And it will be nice and full. So we'll talk later on, and I will go over all the steps with you just to make it less confusing. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. Now we're doing the crust. So I'm going to explain to you how to make this dough. All you do is, if you have a KitchenAid, it makes it much more easier for people with arthritis like me. So I'm going to go over the ingredients on this. I use 5 eggs, 2 cups of flour. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. That's it. And 3 tablespoons of the Crisco. So now I put it in the KitchenAid. It did whatever. And now we're going to just do this for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to wrap it up in the saran wrap and let it stay while I cut my ingredients. So I'm trying to cut all kinds of corners, so that way it makes it a lot quicker and easier for everybody to follow along. Now, one thing I want to advise you guys. I am not following or promoting any store or company ingredients. You're going to use your own. Whatever is cheaper and cost effective, that's what you're going to buy. But you don't have to break the bank to make this like other people are doing. Affordability wise, it's very plain, very simple. You could use, if you want to make 1 pie, the ingredients that I gave you, or for that matter, I'm going to cut up the stuff and I'll show you the amount of the stuff that you get out of it for 2 pies. If not, you could make it as 1 size pan, whatever it fits when you roll this dough out. If you want to make 1 pie, then you're going to use half of the stuff, and I will go over everything. Okay, so I will see you next. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, I did roll out the dough. Now, of course, there's a little piece missing there because I didn't roll it out, enough. But it's okay. We all make mistakes. It's all going to taste the same. It's all well and good. And, hold on, I have to make slits on top. And I also wanted to tell you that one of the cheeses I forgot to tell you, which was the basket cheese. It comes out once a year. And what I did was I put everything in the food processor. And as far as that last egg, I brushed with the egg yolk. I separated, and you brush the crust. And you put 4 eggs in the mixture, and it was the 2 eggs in the flour for the crust. That's what it comes out to be. So this made 2 pies, and the cheese, the basket cheese, comes like this, for those of you that don't know any better. And also, I use the unsalted mozzarella, the fresh one. Put everything in the food processor if you have it. If not, you're going to have to hand grate it. And that's it. And you cook it for 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes on 350 till you see that the crust is nice and golden. Once it's golden, then just take it out, because everything that goes in there is cooked. As far as the sausage, take it out of the casing like I said, and brown it. And I will show you the finished product when we come back. Stay tuned. Okay, hi, welcome back. All right, so as you could see, the pies are done. And the one that was missing the piece, that's it. But it's fine. And so just letting them cool. You could eat these at room temperature, or you could warm them up, or you could eat it cold, however you prefer. You can have it as an appetizer, or with salad, as a dinner, or whatever, however you'd like. And that's it, really. So before you here's an example. Before you add your eggs and you mix all your ingredients in a bowl, taste it. Make sure it's salty enough, not too salty, just right. Then add your eggs and mix it up, and pour and bake. That's it. So until next time, we'll make some other goodies. And this is called a Pizzarustica, which is the Easter pie. Thank you.